What's the plan for today, Dad?
Today we're going to upgrade our pool equipment to a bigger pump and filter, but we're also going to leave the other one installed and running. Our theory is the more water you run through a filter, the better you're off, the cleaner the water will be, and the less chemicals you can use. So we bought this is a 300-pound sand filter with a 2-horse motor and filter. We put a new skimmer in, so now we have 2 skimmers. Here's a skimmer, there's the one that originally came with it. This pump and filter system, this is a 150-pound sand filter, and we bought it to supply our 26-foot round pool that we put in. The one that it came with wasn't big enough, so we upgraded it to this, which did good, but this pool is so much bigger that's why we decided to go with the bigger pump and pump more water and filter more water.
All right.
So we're going to try to get this thing installed today. God, let me see the cover, because I don't want the cover to, you know what I mean?
Yep. Because look at the cover, it's like an inch of hinges and all sorts of stuff. So you're gonna need more space.
Maybe what I ought to do is just install this thing right away. Let me get a real knife. I got a little wire plier in there somewhere.
How do you know which one goes to which?
Your green is your ground, white is your neutral, and black is your power. I kind of wish I'd have a better way of putting that in there. I could go get a crimp set. It would make it fit better. I don't know. It worked pretty good.
Oh, looks good.
I like that plier because it's got that deep where you can really crimp it. Hold on. There you go.
Need another couple.
Get in there. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Both whites on one side, both blacks on the other?
Yeah. Yeah, that way that power just jumps across and jumps right over. And that's that little, see that little jump bar? That's what makes one. Now if you broke that little jump bar off, you could actually wire this with 2 different breakers, and this wire would serve this plug, this wire would serve that plug.
It's like those people that do, like the lamp has a light switch and it plugs into the outlet.
Right.
But you only want one of the outlets to turn off, not the other.
Right.
I'll buy that.
I think the plug is what holds this on.
All right, so we got to clear this
For the other door.
Yeah. The other.
And plus get the other lid on.
I say we just go to the top.
Top, other 2.
That way there's enough, as much room as we can give it. Not too bad. Nailed it. Nice. All right, got the box set up. Didn't realize until the second one that this cover is removable, and you just take these little pins to lock in your cover. So that'll make it a whole lot easier this time to install. All right, dumb question alert. We've got 2 things that need to be tied in and only one line, one set of wires. So how does that work?
So your ground is gonna go to your switch and then over to your plug. This one is gonna go straight to the switch, and then the black wire is gonna come off from that going to the plug. So all you're doing is you're stopping the power from going from one to another.
So you're going to tie those into the switch, and then from the switch you're going to go to the plug with a set of these short wires, or
just one short wire. This will go to the plug automatically.
Oh, I see.
So you're just coming into your switch, out of your switch, back to the plug. So what we'll do is we're going to build one of these with a deal on both sides, and we're just going to jump from one to another.
Ooh. Doesn't look like it's stripped. Oh yeah, I guess it does kind of look like it's stripped.
Swap it out.
Oh my god, it's like 2 seconds into me taking over. Down?
Yeah. I'll stop before you get it all the way tight. Strip it. That's good. All right, one on one side, one on the other.
White,
Yeah.
black?
Yeah. And then the other one that you don't use, screw down too, to where it's not sticking out there.
Starting to rain. All right, that one's at least in there.
It is the top one.
Yeah, cover off.
Yeah, is the way to go.
Yeah. Definitely should have done that on the first one. Okay. All right, so one of our pumps, we're missing a hose. Actually, not the hose, but we're missing the adapter. These threads don't fit on this, so we need the inside adapter. But we've got power to this pump, and it's working. And if I switch these around, I'll show you what we're working with here, what the grand plan is. So here I'm gonna put this pump in here. That's on, that's off. So we're gonna put one pump to the switch, and the other pump is just gonna be on live the whole time, so that it's always running. But so the electrical work looks good. It's just we can't get this other pump running because we don't got a hose. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah, we need that hose.
Yeah,
Need that adapter.
it looks like a storm's on the way anyways. We're about to get chased in because of rain, so it's probably for the best anyways. Didn't really want to be out here dicking with the pool while it's raining and thundering. So okay, real quick, one of the things I didn't mention, the reason we have the switch on the big pump is because these filters, they have different modes. So you can do rinse, filter, you can backwash and vent your waste out. But the problem is that you have to shut the pump off before you can change the filter mode. The little filter or pump has a switch down here that we can just shut off, change the modes, and then now when I pump it, there's water comes out of the backwash down there. So we can do that here, right here at the pump. This pump does not have a switch. It doesn't have a switch on it either side. So that's why we need the switch here, so we can turn off the pump, backwash it, rinse it, and then turn back on the pump. And that's how we're gonna control that. So just in case you guys think we're doing something weird about having one pump running while the other one isn't, because that's what I thought until my dad explained it to me. So that's the reasoning behind the pump and the switch, one of them needing a switch, one of them not needing a power switch. And yeah, it's definitely raining now, so we're gonna hit the bricks.